Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Airsoft here, and today I'm going to be working on the spring change on my M40A3 Sniper rifle by Double Eagle. So first of all, the tools you're going to need are some type of Allen wrenches for the Double Eagle design and ASG Sport line. There will be a bolt in here, one in here, and then one in this hole right here, past the magazine release. I believe the S&T model only has one in the back, so just know what your model has. And also a both Phillips head screwdriver and regular head screwdriver. So starting off, we'll get these bolts off. So there's 3 bolts that need to be undone. There we go. Now, pull this apart. We'll set the stock over here. So you're going to want, along here, there's 4 screws, here, 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 and here. So you're going to get those unscrewed with your Phillips head screwdriver. Get these 2 down here. Okay, so once these screws are removed, we'll take the Phillips head screwdriver, wedge that right in here, in between the receiver chamber and your spring setup, and then just pry it like that. Next, we're going to simply slide the bolt out and the cylinder. Unscrew the cylinder cap. The first time it might be harder, so what I like to do is put a little bit of tape around the end here and then use a pliers to pry it off. I've done this more, so mine's looser. So we'll remove the cylinder cap. You've got your piston, spring, and spring guide. So now that you've seen this, you just change the spring out, and then I'm going to put it back together. And we'll be ready to go. And get that pushed on tight, and just make sure this is on all the way. You don't want to tighten the cylinder head too much, or the rubber seal might start to break, but just make sure it's on there good enough. Get that stuck back in, right like that. And then this piece here, the bolt catch, will stick in right like that. That just snaps into place. And then we screw it back together. So we'll get these 4 screws done. There's 3 of them. Get the last one screwed in. Okay, now this is all set. So you're going to take your stock with the bolt here flipped up, and then just slide it all back into place. Right like that. Get your Allen wrench out and tighten it up. And then you're ready to go. Okay, so that's all for today.